Estão bem na tela, vai. Se besoin daí.
Some trucks are made to, others are made to shine. But every once in
No,
a while,
nie
a truck goes
besoin
along
daí,
with
né?
both and still manages to
Não,
be
sim.
unique. The 1970 Ford F100 Ranger XLT is that kind of truck. It may not look wild at first glance, but give it a second look. With 337,537 F100s built that year, you might think they were all the same, not even close. Now here's where it gets strange. This Ranger XLT wears its age like a medal. Its body hasn't been touched by any paint or filler. That's real patina on top of the original Mojave tan and Wimbledon white paint. After 54 years of Florida sun, this truck has turned into a rolling piece of history.
Bonjour.
Add white 20-inch wheels, and you've got a vintage truck with modern attitude. Next up, the inside story. While the outside stays are old school, the interior has been totally freshened up.